Looking away with their arms. Monkey see, monkey do?
You're so funny.
They each have one sock on and one sock off.
He's kicking her again in the belly. He's feeling her out. Like,
You're supposed to stay fully clothed, kids.
put those clothes back on.
Aww.
Funny.
I'm still recording this. Very cute, guys. Very cute.
So cute. You having fun?